So this is a must-have watch in any watch collection, or even if you just like to wear fun functional watches with a wider range of colors and a true comfortable fit. This is the Casio Unisex F-108WH-1ACF. This is the big square digital display quartz black watch. The key features are that it's 30 meters, that means 100 feet water resistant, has a daily alarm, 1 to 100 second stopwatch, and it has the Casio accuracy and, most importantly, reliability. It's suitable for everyday use and will withstand accidental splashes, but not really for swimming. So this watch works well as a unisex piece, and it's got simple functions. It just does the job, has a comfortable feel. It measures the case diameter at 42.4 millimeters, which actually kind of wears smaller than that, as you could probably tell on my wrist. The case thickness is really thin at 10.26 millimeters. You put it on and you forget it's on. The band material is plastic, and the band width comes in at 23.7 millimeters. It comes in weighing at a light weight of 3.35 ounces. You can barely feel it when it's on. The case material is made out of stainless steel, which makes it pretty durable. This watch is hugely popular for its retro look and its functionality amongst the low-end watch community and the high-end watch community. It's got respect for a reason, and this is one of the reasons why you should have one in your collection.